Hi everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Marcy here once more, and today we're gonna make some quick and easy crispy fried chicken, so stay tuned, keep on watching. So I have here some chicken breast. I'm going to cut this in 2 or 3 pieces. I like my chicken cut small. Yeah, this is not Popeyes. So yeah, I think 3 pieces is good enough. That way, fry faster and the chicken get to absorb all the flavors. Alright, so 1 piece, 2 piece, and if these little fat at the edges, you can cut them off or you can keep them, it's up to you. So last time I made fried chicken, someone was telling me to fold the wings. So this is how we normally fold the wings back in the days. I haven't seen anyone done it. This is the way my mom and my aunts used to do it when they're frying chicken. I don't fold the wing. I like to cut it in 2 or fry it just like this. I prefer to cut it into this part. I don't. If you want to keep this part, you can keep it, but I don't keep it. Most of the time I cut it off unless someone requests it. If you're accustomed to folding your chicken wings, you can, no problem, but I don't like to fold it. Alright, look at this chicken thigh. It's big, it's huge. I don't like it like that. If you give me this in my plate, I'm gonna be turned off, honestly. Normally you just slice it right down the middle and cut the thigh in 2, but for the purpose of the video, we're gonna keep it, you know, these little parts have to clean out. So I'm gonna pierce some hole under the thigh just so that it can cook a little faster and absorb more flavor. So now I'm gonna rinse my chicken with some lime. Here we have our lime. I'm gonna rinse my chicken. So now I'm gonna combine a blend of seasoning. I love this chicken seasoning. It gives the chicken a nice color, and I only use it when I'm frying chicken. And I have also this Creole all-purpose seasoning that I like as well. And I'm gonna add this Kickin chicken, not a lot. I normally use this when I'm baking or roasting chicken. I'm just gonna add a small amount, and then I have to add some spice, so I'm adding some cayenne. I can't have fried chicken without a little kick. Alright, so I'm adding a little cayenne, then I'm gonna add some paprika. Sometimes I do add a little sazon. You can add that if you can have it, no problem. Go ahead and add it, it's fine, and it will give your chicken a beautiful color as well. So now we're gonna lightly season the chicken because we're gonna add some of this in the flour as well, and we don't want the chicken to be salty. And I'm not quite ready to fry it, so what I'm gonna do is just put it in a container in the fridge and let it continue marinate until I am ready to fry them. Now here I have some cornmeal in honor of my father-in-law. May his soul rest in peace. He loves cornmeal in his fried chicken batter. So I'm going to add a little bit in there. It also gives the chicken a nice coating. And for those who don't want to use egg, this is good as well. I normally use baking powder as well in my flour batter. But there's baking powder in the cornmeal. It's a self-rising cornmeal, so it works out fine. Thanks to my son who went to the store and bought the wrong cornmeal, and I have to use it up. I'm not gonna waste it. Chicken ready to fry. We're not doing any egg, and it's still gonna be crispy, okay? So as we all know, wing and breast take less time to cook than the leg and thighs. If you don't have any choice, then you know you have to remove them first, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fry them together. Cornstarch and all that will give the chicken the crispiness that it needs, and the cornmeal would add a nice little coating. So for those who are always saying, do we have to use egg? You don't have to if you don't want to, and you can still get some nice crispy chicken, okay? Alright. Shake off the excess flour, and to prevent your chicken from burning, especially if you're frying like large batches, you want to strain the oil. Remove all the crumbs that left in the bottom of the oil before you put in your second or your third set, because that flour that settled at the bottom of the oil will cause the other chicken to burn. Alright, and we don't want that. So here I'm adding some flavor to the oil, and I'm adding some garlic, not garlic, sorry, ginger, onion, and Spanish pepper. That will add extra flavor to your chicken, so don't skip that part. My grandbaby is fussing, so I had no time to do any fancy garnish, but nice. I can't eat a lot of fried chicken, but when I eat it, I prefer the wing. I'll eat the thigh, but I have to cut it up. Can't eat the big thigh. And I like the flat part of the wing. Now it's time for the cocoa bread to go in the oven, and look who wanna act up. Put your tongue in your mouth. Stop doing that. Stop it. Stop it. We can't have you in the kitchen. Alright, playpen. Yeah, say hi. You hear that? The oven is ready. Playpen for you. Say bye. Bye.